Hi, I'm Keren Corsia from Taboola, and over the next 15 minutes, I will talk about big data that derive big business. In my presentation, you will get a glimpse into our main data pipeline and how we modified it in order to turn a user click into business insight in less than 5 seconds. But mainly, you will hear about a fascinating project I led that took us, the developers, beyond our traditional engineering environment. Taboola. You have seen us before. While you're reading an article on a website or on your mobile phone, we are working hard in order to discover what will be your moment of next. What is the thing that you may like to read or watch in your next free moment? We call it a recommendation, and we are a recommendation system. Our customers are both the publishers, the website where you can see our feed, and the advertisers who supply us the sponsored content. Our discovery platform, which provides these recommendations, is the world's largest content discovery platform. Take a look at these numbers. This is a true definition of big data and massive scale. Well, last summer during COVID-19, when we all worked from home, and I don't know about you, but I had children running around my computer, sitting on me, and sometimes sitting under me. And in this most unusual and unexpected time, we were approached with an unusual request from our business department. They told us about an unusual customers that are both publishers and advertisers. And they use technology to identify opportunity in the markets where they can buy traffic into their website, buy ads, and leverage them to create profit. Similar to the stock exchange, but on ads. And our business department find out that there is a big potential for revenue growth with these customers. So they ask us, the R&D, yes, they ask the R&D to talk with these customers, to talk with their R&D team, and to find out what they need. So we took the top 5 customers and we asked them one question. What do you need in order to increase your spend in Taboola? And we got a surprising answer. They need data, real-time revenue data. Our customers told us that they are using machine learning and models for prediction in order to discover which campaign bring good results, in order to find new trends in the market, and in order to tune their spend. And before this project, the input to those systems was the billing reports that we provide them. But the billing reports contain built-in delay. They must be accurate, they must contain the complete data, and they required complex calculation. Okay, so all these great automatic systems using data that is not fresh enough. We find out that our customers build the conservative predictions. They limit their spend in Taboola in order to fence off predictions errors. They need data in real time. They want to know how much they are going to earn on a click when the click happened, and not in delay. And another interesting thing, the billing reports contains aggregated data, but the customer needs as input user-level data. They want to know the revenue on single click, on single video. They don't need the aggregation. If they will know how much they are going to earn on single click and close to the time the click happened, they will be able to build a more accurate predictions. They will have confidence in their predictions, and that will cause them to increase their spend. So real-time revenue data in user level will drive revenue growth for them, but also for us. And why did the business people reach out to me? Because I'm an expert in the world of big data and massive scale. I am data platform software team lead in the infrastructure engineering group. And in our group, we are the kings of big data. Okay, so we went back to the business and informed them that we know what the customer needs. And they said, great, so when can you deliver it? And we thought that we know how to negotiate. So we asked them back, when do you need it? And the answer was, yesterday. It was a few months before the elections in US. And the elections are one of the most successful times for campaigns. So in order to be ready on time, we need that our new real-time data pipeline will be integrated in the customer systems before the elections. Challenge accepted, because being attentive to the customer needs is one of our core business value. And because we have confidence in our infrastructure, in our data infrastructure, and we know that we can do it. But we have several challenges. The technical challenge. 500 million active users per day is a lot of data and a lot of click. And we need to calculate and deliver revenue data in real time. And another important challenge, the collaboration challenge. This is Corona time. And we knew that in order to be ready, we need our customer with us. We need their dedication in this project. We need their collaboration. Okay, about the technical challenge. I will provide you now a glimpse into our main data pipeline, but it will demonstrate the challenge of reporting revenue data in real time. Let's zoom in. When a user enters to a website of one of our publishers, a client application on the website will send us a recommendation request. This recommendation request will reach one of our front-end servers. We have thousands front-end servers spread across 7 data centers around the world. One of the front-end servers will collect all the data about the user, the article he read, about geo, country, platform, browser, and much more data, and will build a response recommendation list, a personalized recommendation list. The client application will put those recommendations on the website. And from now on, every click the user will perform, every video he will watch, we will know about it. We will get about it user notification into one of our event logger servers. But it is not so simple. A user journey on a publisher website may contain several requests, several responses, and many user notifications. And they may reach different servers on different time. But all the data will be collected to Kafka cluster on the local data center. And this Kafka cluster is the beginning of the downstream. This is the beginning of the data pipeline. In Kafka, we have many topics. We have topic for the recommendation requests and responses. We have topic for the user notifications, topic for verbals, for debug, and many other topics. Kafka cluster from all the data centers mirror to one Kafka cluster, to one massive Kafka cluster here in Israel. And now a Spark component called Page Generator will summarize the user journey on the publisher website. It will collect all the data from all the topics and rearrange the data and save it into HDFS as Parquet file. And now the data is ready and we can start using it. And we are using it for reporting, we are using it for analysis, for machine learning and deep learning. And all these actions are taken in order to build next time the best personalized recommendation list. Okay, really, it's only a glimpse. And to really describe all the data pipeline, I will need another full session. But you can see the challenge of reporting revenue data in a data pipeline that carries trillions of entry data points every day. And about the real-time data pipeline. So we took this impressive data pipeline, we broke it, expanded it, and created a new one. I will zoom in now. The new data pipeline, the real-time data pipeline, starts where all the data mirror to Kafka cluster here in Israel. And now we build a new component. We call it Kafka Consumer for filtering and partitioning the data. This Kafka Consumer will consume from Kafka only the user events topic, and only events that contains revenue, only charge events, and only events that related to publishers that opt in into our new real-time data pipeline. We are turning big data into small data, and that enables us to report the revenue data in real time. It also enables us to support in the natural growth that we have in the data over the time. And now that we filter the data, we are using Kafka again. We create a new topic. We call it real-time revenue topic. And in this topic, we are partitioning the data. We create partition per customer. And for each customer, we write the revenue data to its partition. Partitioning the data enables us two main functionalities. Security, data revenue of one customer won't mix up with data revenue of another customer, and flexibility. If we will need to replay the data from the beginning or from a specific offset, we will be able to do it for one customer without influence the others. And now that we have the data in the new topic, we only need to deliver it. So we consume the data, and per customer, per partition, we deliver the data to a server on the customer side. And again, it's only a glimpse, and I'm here after this session to answer to all your questions and provide you more information. But let's continue. The best part is that our infrastructure is so generic and so modular, so in order to build the real-time data pipeline, we didn't need to do a revolution and write a lot of code. It was easy. And about the collaboration challenge, we overcome it as well. We let our customer become our design partner. We didn't build the product and then convince them to use it. By asking them what they need and meeting their requirements, they want to use it. They are waiting for it. But again, it is Corona time, and we knew that we want to build a direct communication with our customers. Our solution for that was cross-organization Slack channel. We met our customers in Zoom, of course, and once they say they are onboarding, minutes later, we created a dedicated Slack channel with them, and it works like a magic. There are cases, unusual cases and rare cases, that you can leave the product manager aside. You can leave the business people outside of the loop. Developers understand developers. We have the same language. And now I want to talk about why this project was such a success story. And it is because it has multi-dimensional impacts. For the customer revenue and spend in Taboola increase, of course. And for Taboola, we strengthened our perceptions as an innovative company. Isn't it awesome that the customer has the needs? We translate them into product, but then in the end, they find Taboola as an innovative company. But me and my team, we gained more than that. We had a chance to understand the business better. We met part of our customers, but mainly we went beyond our traditional engineering environment, and it was a great journey for us. And the moral of my story: build an infrastructure that is modular and generic. It will be worthwhile for you later. Make your customer your partner, and find your way to build a direct communication with your customers. It works like a magic. And of course, enjoy your work. Thank you.